doing?
Hello.
Woo!
Give it the beans.
You got this. Just roll over it.
Nice. Cool. Ah! little damp. Yeah, these big tires and different suspension than the old Rush, man. I feel like the back end walks a lot. It doesn't feel super planted all the time.
Sorry.
All right. Hand good?
Fine, just fine, you go.
Cool, cool, cool. All right, more uphill.
Yeah.
How was the climb?
Yeah, I rode with it. That was the last time I rode with it.
Finally some technical in there. I see tracks going that way, but marker says go this way.
Yeah, I'd say go that way.
Going that way. Not clipped in. Whoa!
Oh! Oh, this is the new part that the guy was saying in the parking lot.
Let's go, you got it, you got it. How are we doing? Black diamond or blue? Oh, he's going for it.
No.
Oh man, I thought he was gonna go for it.
So you'll just go up there, and we got a ways to meet you over there.
We're gonna crush it, Chad.
We are.
We're gonna crush something. Oh, all right, all right. All right, a little rock garden to get started. A little more rock garden. Pop it up. Oh, good. Woo! Okay. Definitely more technical than the other stuff. Ugh. Roll into the right.
Average speed 7.1 miles per hour.
Oh yeah.
3.57 miles. Completed 30 minutes. Heart rate 126 beats per minute.
I'm not doing the rock roll. We'll save that for next time. All right. All right, rock roll would have been sweet. But we're not quite there yet. Fourth ride of the season. Fifth ride in like 6 years. We'll work up to the rock roll. I know I shouldn't say it, but no foot has gone down yet. And no rider has gone down yet either. All right, more kind of uphill tech. Let's see, anything left in the motor? Yep. Whew. All right. It's funny, when we stopped down there, I was looking that way and didn't look up.
Yeah. I didn't realize where you stopped, which killed my uphill.
Good, good. Keep you guessing. All right. I looked at the sign and then it's like, then I fall. Whoa! Jeez! Oh my gosh!
Oh, come on, Nate.
Oh man!
Need some training wheels for this hill.
Oh my god! Ah! Oh, the camera on my head is killing me. Ooh, ooh.
That section was all new.
Dude, the extra weight on my helmet was shaking it so bad my eyes couldn't focus on the trail. This the way?
Yep.
All right. Party on, Wayne.
Party on, guard.
Oh! Oh, All right, Mr. Muscles and Endurance, what are we doing? Science says hard and easier. Hard probably gets it over with quicker. Oh, I'm already in my eagle gear. Nuts! Oh. Oh gosh. I'm cutting it. It killed my morale to see the turn. He had to go just a little farther than me.
When it says harder, do easier.
I'm an easy expert.
Yes, an easy expert.
Oh good, back down.
Yeah, a little bit of downhill for more uphill.
Yeah. Bikes go this way, I guess. Oh, jeez. Oh. Really?
Oh!
Oh.